In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Vestiaire Collective Customer Support. Whether you're encountering an issue with a purchase or you simply have a question about a product, getting in touch with customer support can sometimes be a bit daunting, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. To get started, open up your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser you like to use. In the search bar, type in Vestiaire Collective and press enter. You should see a list of search results, but the one you need to focus on is the official site for Vestiaire Collective. Typically, this will be the first result you see. Click on that link to head straight to their website. Once you're on the home page, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the sign-in button. This is usually at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your account details. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, as contacting customer support requires you to be logged in. Enter your email and password to log in. If you've forgotten your login details, most websites, including this one, offer options to reset your password, so look out for that if you need it. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate to your profile. This is typically represented by an icon or your name, again, usually found in the upper right area of the page. Click on your profile to open a drop-down menu with various options. Among these options, you'll find an important one: Chat with us. Click on this to initiate contact with Vestiaire Collective's customer support team. After clicking Chat with Us, a chat box will pop up on your screen. This feature is designed to make reaching out to customer support straightforward and quick. In this chat box, you have the opportunity to write out your concern or question. Be as detailed as possible when explaining your issue, as it will help the support team assist you more efficiently. Include any relevant order numbers or details that could expedite the handling of your request. The great thing about this instant chat feature is that you often get quick responses, allowing for real-time communication that can significantly help resolve your issues swiftly. And there you have it. You've successfully reached out to Vestiaire Collective Customer Support, and it's that easy. Remember, communication is key, so always try to be as clear and concise as possible when detailing your concern. This will ensure that the support team can assist you effectively. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any other questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment and I'll do my best to help. Happy shopping.